The Samaveda, the melodies of divine harmony and spiritual elevation. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, and fellow seekers of truth and enlightenment, it is with great reverence and joy that I stand before you today to explore the profound and sacred teachings of the Samaveda, one of the ancient scriptures that form the foundation of Hindu philosophy, spirituality, and culture. The Samaveda, often referred to as the Veda of Melodies, is a unique and mystical text that contains a collection of hymns and chants set to musical melodies designed to invoke the divine, elevate the spirit, and lead the soul on a journey of spiritual realization and transcendence. Welcome to the Big Network Spiritual, where you will be introduced to concepts of evolution and different philosophies that will help you become a better person and focus on the self. Like this channel, subscribe and share for us to be able to deliver high-value content on a weekly basis. Composed in Sanskrit thousands of years ago, the Samaveda is one of the four Vedas, the ancient scriptures of India that are considered to be the eternal source of knowledge and wisdom. The Samaveda is closely associated with the practice of Samaveda chanting, a sacred tradition in which the hymns and chants are sung in a specific musical style known as Samagana. The melodies of the Samaveda are believed to have a transformative power that can uplift the mind, purify the heart, and connect the individual soul with the universal consciousness. At the heart of the Samaveda lies the concept of Nada Brahma, the belief that sound is the essence of the universe and that music is a divine expression of the cosmic order. The hymns and chants of the Samaveda are not merely poetic verses but are intended to be sung with devotion, sincerity, and reverence in order to create a harmonious resonance that resonates with the vibrations of the universe. The melodies of the Samaveda are said to have the power to awaken the dormant energies within the individual, purify the mind, and lead the soul on a path of spiritual evolution and self-realization. The Samaveda is divided into two main sections, the Purvachika and the Uttarachika. The Purvachika contains the hymns and chants that are sung during the rituals and ceremonies, while the Uttarachika contains the philosophical teachings and esoteric knowledge that explain the significance of the hymns and their transformative power. Together, these two sections of the Samaveda provide a comprehensive guide to the practice of Samaveda chanting and the spiritual journey of the seeker. One of the key themes of the Samaveda is the concept of unity and harmony, both within the individual and in the cosmos. The melodies of the Samaveda are intended to create a sense of inner harmony and balance, aligning the mind, body, and spirit with the divine vibrations of the universe. The chanting of the Samaveda is a sacred act of devotion that unites the individual soul with the cosmic forces, creating a sense of oneness and interconnectedness with all of creation. The Samaveda also contains hymns and chants that celebrate the beauty of nature, the power of the elements, and the abundance of life on earth. These hymns express gratitude and reverence for the forces of nature, such as Agni, fire, Vayu, wind, Varuna, water, and Prithvi, earth, and acknowledge the interconnectedness of all living beings in the web of life. The Samaveda teaches us to respect and honor the natural world and live in harmony with the environment. Furthermore, the Samaveda contains passages that offer practical guidance on various aspects of life, such as ethics, morality, social conduct, and personal growth. These teachings emphasize the importance of living a virtuous and ethical life, upholding the principles of truth, honesty, compassion, and non-violence. The Samaveda encourages individuals to cultivate inner virtues, practice self-discipline, and strive for spiritual growth and self-realization. As we reflect on the profound teachings of the Samaveda, we are reminded of the timeless wisdom that lies at the heart of this ancient scripture. The Samaveda continues to inspire and guide millions of people around the world, offering a source of solace, inspiration, and spiritual nourishment in times of joy and sorrow. Its melodies and chants serve as a bridge between the human and divine realms, connecting us with the cosmic forces that govern the universe. In conclusion, the Samaveda stands as a testament to the spiritual and intellectual achievements of the ancient Vedic civilization and the profound insights of its sages and seers. Its melodies, chants, and teachings continue to illuminate our path, awaken our consciousness, and deepen our connection with the divine essence that resides within and around us. Let us honor and preserve the sacred heritage of the Sama Veda and draw inspiration from its timeless teachings as we navigate the complexities of the modern world. Thank you.